A body of a housewife is found hanging in the rubber garden next to the house on Saturday. Her name is Savita Saha, aged 55. Bishalgarh Women's Police immediately arrived at the location after the incident. This incident occurred at Jangalia area of Bishalgarh. It is known that Savita Saha, wife of Pradeep Saha, a resident of Jangalia area of Bishalgarh, was suffering from illness for a long time. Meanwhile, while everyone was out of the house, the housewife, avoiding the attention of the family, chose to take her own life. Likewise, a corpse of a housewife is found hanging in the rubber garden next to the house on Saturday. Her name is Savita Saha, aged 55. Later, after the incident, the family members witnessed the incident and informed the Bishalgarh Women's Police Station. Later, Bishalgarh Women's Police immediately arrived at the location after the information was sent. Daughter of a deceased housewife said that her mother Savita Saha was ill for a long time.
কোন জায়গাতে ফাঁসি দিয়েছে? রাবার বাগানে। কি নাম আপনার মার?
সবিতা সাহা।
কত বয়স?
45।
কি কারণে এই ফাঁসিতে আত্মহত্যা?
কোনো কারণ নাই, তো শরীরের অবস্থা না রোগ আছে
এই জায়গাটার নাম?
জাঙ্গালি।
তেনে কয়জন ছেলে মেয়ে আছে?
দুর্বল।
কি করতো তেনে?
কিছু কাজ কিছু করে না।
পুলিশ আইছে?
After the incident, police took the corpse to Bishalgarh Hospital for post-mortem. Likewise, according to the statement of the deceased daughter, the housewife might have taken her life because of her health issues. Reported by Assis from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.